Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome to my nighttime skincare routine. I didn't wear a ton of makeup in this video, but enough to where I have to remove my makeup and then cleanse and all that. So we're going to get started by putting my hair up. First thing, remove makeup. I'm using the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. All of the products that I use today in this video will be linked in the description. I know it kind of looks like I'm rubbing my face hard, but trust me, I'm not. I just rub it enough so that the makeup actually does come off and I don't have to spend a ton of time, rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. But I do take off my makeup in sections of my face. So I kind of start on one side, go to the other, my forehead, and so on and so forth. Time to cleanse. I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Creamy Formula Cleanser. I also used this and a lot of the products coming up in my morning skincare routine. I will leave that video linked below. Just rubbing cleanser all over my face, always including my neck. And then rinsing. Patting my face dry with a face towel. Always try to be gentle with this and not rub. Next up, eye cream. I'm using the same eye cream in my morning skincare routine video, the Clinique All About Eyes eye cream in Rich Formula. Taking a small amount with my ring finger and patting in kind of like that back and forth circular motion. On to toner. Again, I'm using the Lush Cosmetics Breath of Fresh Air Toner, spritzing on a cotton round, and just kind of gently swiping all over my face, including my neck. Clearly, I was feeling end of day loopiness and just tossing things into the sink. Next up, serum. I do use this in my morning skincare routine, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It comes with a little dropper, makes it super easy to apply. I just apply a very small drop onto the high points of my face and neck and rub in. Take note, I do typically wait 30 seconds to a minute in between each step, just so that each product has time to sink into my skin. Last up, moisturizer. I am using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I use their SPF version during the day. I will be mixing in one of my topicals prescribed by my dermatologist. This helps maintain my skin staying clear and helps with any breakouts, gets rid of inflammation, things like that. I take a little bit of a generous amount of moisturizer and a small little drop of the topical and mix it together as I'm rubbing it into my face. I use this topical and I switch off with another one every couple days in the evening. On the evenings that I don't use my topical, that's when I will fill it in with like a face mask or a sheet mask, just overall maintaining my skin's health. Topicals like this are only prescribed by a dermatologist, so I won't be linking that, but again, all of the other products that I used will be linked below. Finishing my nightly skincare with some Burt's Bees lip balm. And there you have it, you guys, my nightly skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.